Hey Glam babes, thanks for stepping to the Casey Glam Show, period pool. So today is a very short video. I decided to do it on a whim, pretty much. So I have two packages that I picked up from the P.O. box today that I'm like very excited about, but I don't know where they're from. And now L'Oreal sent me another package. Y'all, let's just open it. Let's just open it because I'm like really, and I didn't even know these were coming. I just so happened to go to the P.O. box and two packages were for me. So that's on being an influencer, period. Boo. I'm gonna open this up. What? Okay, so it's L'Oreal Paris New Bright Reveal Dark Spot Serum. Okay, it's dark spot serum. It's sunscreen as well. So this is the serum. The bottle is cute. Love to see it. And then this is the sunscreen, which I did say I wanted to start investing in sunscreen because just because you black don't mean you don't need no sunscreen. But I love it. Thank you, L'Oreal. This is the second package I got for them, and I really appreciate it because I love their products at this point. But yeah, I'm so happy. This is how the box is. I was making sure it wasn't nothing else at the bottom, okay? But yeah, I'm happy though. I'm happy though. Like, yeah, that's how being an influencer. Stop playing with it. So that's the first one. I only had two. So I'm really excited about this one. This one is a really big one. And what I think, if it is what I think it is, I'm going to be very, very excited and happy for it. So let's just open it and see. And then I'll tell y'all why I'm happy for it to come. I'm trying to open it on camera. The tape really be strong for real. So when I read it, it says it came from New Jersey. And I'm not sure what this is. And I haven't bought anything for my vacations yet, so I'm really not sure what this is. But if it is what I think it is, I'm gonna be so happy. And it's heavy too. Oh yeah, I think it is what I think it is. Period. So pretty much I had looked on Amazon. I saw this girl. She's also an influencer. I'm gonna unbox it right now. She's also an influencer. And she said that she got this brand to send her a vanity mirror. So everyone's like trying to sell the method on how to get free products from brands. And I kind of know like what they do. So basically I found me a brand on Amazon, someone with very low sales or someone that had a product that I wanted to review in exchange for product. That's what I did it for because it was my first time doing it. So I just basically went in ChatGPT and typed in, hey, can you create me a short message to let a brand know that I want to work with them in exchange for content and product. So it gave me a message. I looked over it, made sure, replaced whatever I needed to replace, and sent it to them. And off the first rip, they was like, yes, like, we would love that. Can you like send us your information? I'm gonna check in with my manager, blah, blah, blah. And it came so quick. I believe I sent the message 2 weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so this came really, really fast. I didn't expect for it to come. I'm gonna put the accurate date inside the video. But yeah, we're about to open this right now. So it came in that really, really big package. And the one they sent me is not the one that I wanted, but I'm still happy for it though. I'm pulling it out. Okay, so it comes in this soft, really soft styrofoam. They was making sure this stuff don't break, and I need to make sure that I don't break it because I'm clumsy. Okay, so there's like more than one piece. I believe this is the stand that holds the bottom of the mirror. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, so this is the stand that holds the bottom of the mirror. It also came with a micro mirror. Baby, I gotta make sure I keep up with the screws. It came with instructions. Now it's time to show y'all the mirror. And this is the mirror, okay? So the mirror comes with, I believe this is a different lighting setting feature. You can turn on with the lighting settings. And I think, I'm not sure what the arrows do, but I most definitely could check it out. It comes with the cord somewhere. There's no batteries. It does come with a cord. And it does have a USB for you to charge your phone. There's like a lot of pieces in here. Here's the cord. I'm most definitely gonna set this up today. Is this a remote? Oh no, it's not a remote. I thought it was a remote. I was about to say, y'all, okay, with a remote. I'm not sure where this goes. It's probably to hold it up, possibly. And then what else we got? I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it on everything that came in it. The mirror is smaller than what I thought it would be. So I'm thinking with the picture, I'm thinking the mirror is gonna be this big. So the mirror is actually this big because it's supposed to go that way. You can do it this way, but it'll still be weird. But it's still smaller than what I thought from the Amazon pictures. But I am very appreciative of this. I'm very, very happy. Now I will have like a very appropriate place to film at home, since I do film at the shop, but sometimes I don't want to do that. But I'm really excited about this. So now I'm about to go put it together and show y'all what to do. So the first thing that I decided to do was to assemble the back piece to the mirror. So here is where I'm going to unscrew it. The screws are already screwed inside of the mirror, so you just have to unscrew it and then screw it back in, which is kind of how like a lot of things come together now. But yeah, and the package came with its own screwdriver, which is really, really great. So I love that. Once I assembled the back piece, I decided to assemble the bottom part, which is the stand that holds, basically makes the mirror stand up. So these screws were already in there as well. So I just have to unscrew it and then screw the pieces back on to put the stand on. But I just want to say, y'all got to make sure y'all put these screws up when you order this, because you do not want to lose like not nan one screw. It does come with like maybe one or two extra, but you don't want to use any one. You don't want to lose nothing. So the mirror does come with the magnifying mirror, and it does have suction cups on the back, but those suction cups was not sticking. Like, as you can see right now, it fits, but later on it's gonna fall off. Yep, see, I told you. And I hated that for me, but really that little magnifying mirror is not going to really be used because I don't use them. So the mirror does come with a power cord, like I stated before, so you do not need any batteries, which is good. But if you lose or break this charger, you're gonna have to buy a new one, of course. So when I remember looking at the reviews, I remembered that there was a phone holder, and I knew that this white piece was, but I didn't know where it went. And on the back of this, it has two places for the screws to go in, but baby, it was only one screw to where this goes in at. And I was screwing this in, and when I finally screwed it in, I kind of realized that this is not where it went. So I'm sitting up here unscrewing the back and screwing it back in for nothing, pretty much. So after further examination, I realized that the screws actually go like right up under it where my finger is, because I realized that the phone can't even be held like that if it's at that part. So I decided to unscrew it and then fix it and then put it in the right position. I do want to say at this part, it was kind of hard. The right side was easy to screw in, but the left side, that screw did not want to go in there. It's like they last minute put that hole right there and it didn't want to screw into it. So I kind of had to screw it the wrong way, kind of jam the screw in there and then screw it to the right for it to actually get in there.
And this is me testing it. I think it's pretty cool. It is like hella space. Like a little iPad can fit there if you wanted to, but I don't think it's that sturdy for an iPad. So now I'm about to test out the charger cord and show y'all what, these buttons do. So the middle button turns on the light, the button to the left change the light's colors, and the button to the right, you have to hold it down to turn up the brightness and lower the brightness. Y'all see my sister? But yeah, I kind of had to figure that out. That right button is kind of tough to hold it down and to actually even pay attention that it's going up and down. But it's really still a great mirror. I just had to figure it out by reading the paper. The mirror also has a USB cord for me to charge my phone. I believe that's what it's for. I kind of wish the phone holder had a little section for the cord to fit through for when you charge it. But, everything can't be perfect. And this is the mirror. This is how it looks in full view and how big it is. And y'all know I had to get my thumbnail. But thanks, Glam Base, for watching. Bye.